go ahead and get these cleaned up. I'm gonna kind of stare down this one just to see what it was gonna look like. Looks like it'd be pretty good. Clean these up, give them a nice ceramic coating. That'll look good when I'm done. I'm all finished up. I think they look pretty good. I think they'll do the job nicely. Dry for a bit. Slide them down in. So, about to spray the intake here. So, I'm gonna grab a can of this. Should work good. Tested it out with my grinding wheel here. I'm probably gonna do the same look after I'm done painting it. But, got the headers placed in. Just kind of sitting there. Some heads. Look good. Sharp looking, I think. Once I get the intake done, I start putting the heads back on. It's 2 coats. Give it one more here in just a minute. Looks good. It's starting to come look pretty good. Guys, here's an update. Engine's in, heads are on, torqued down. This header's bolted on. Didn't bolt this one down because I still gotta slide the starter in there before I bolt it down. But I gotta get a new crank bolt. One I had in there. Not the right one. Not the right one. You fine thread. This is obviously just a coarse thread bolt. So can't lash the valves until I can turn the crank over. So I'm gonna call it a night. Throw some of the other footage from earlier today in here. Get the intake and stuff done. Obviously I got the headers done. Intake looks pretty good. Let me hit this up real quick. Hey guys, here we go. A quick tease of what it's going to be looking like when she's done. It's dark out here, it's hard to see it. Looks good. I need a spacer plate for the carb, but I clean those up. spacer plate. That'll look real good. It's coming along real well. Alright guys, have a good night. Thanks for watching.